Hi friend, welcome to the Live Study channel. Today I am going to discuss singleton interview question and answer for very most important to core Java. Okay, so let's start. Is a singleton means in the services instance, then request to client. Like it's a multiple client. Suppose multiple client you can request to a single services. Okay, let's start. First question is what is singleton class? Have you used singleton before? Okay, so in a singleton class, which has only one instance in whole application, provide a get method. Okay, means a get instance. Okay, method. To access the singleton instance, there are many classes in JDK which is implemented using singleton pattern. You can use my link java.long.runtime which provide a get run method. To access of it is the use for free memory and total memory in Java. Okay, but in an object-oriented programming, a singleton class is a class that can have only one object. Means is a simple definition. Singleton class is a class that can have only one object. Means just I'll say before means instance of the class at a time. Okay, after first time if we try to initiate the singleton class, the new variable also provides to first instance created. So whatever modification we do to any variable inside the class through the any instance, it affects the variable of the single instance created, and it is variable visible if we access that variable through any variable of that class type defined to design a singleton class. So multiple you want to design means make a private, make a constructor as a private, write a static method that have return type object of the singleton class. Okay, lazy initialization class, normal class, singleton. Okay, you can use enum. Okay, move to the another question. Another question, which classes are candidate of singleton? Which kind of class do you make singleton in a Java? Any class which you want to be available to whole application and hold only one instance is visual. It's candidate of becoming singleton. Is an example of this runtime class. Since on whole Java application only one runtime environment can be possible, making runtime singleton is right decision. Another example is a utility class like pop-up in GUI application. If you want to show pop-up with message, okay, you have one pop-up class on whole GUI application, and anytime just get it instance and call show with message. Means I'm just saying first question means in a simple singleton class that can have only one object, okay, at a time. Means you can just show method and you can use to multiple time, but only object created is a show at a time. Okay, move to the another question. Another question is, can you write code for get instance method of a singleton class in a Java? Until asked, don't write code using double checked locking as it is more complex and chances of error are more, but if you have deep knowledge of double checked locking, volatile variable and lazy loading, that this is your chance to shine. I have shared code example of writing singleton class using enum and static factor. I am saying you can create a singleton class by using enum, by using static, by using private constructor as a private. Okay, so just because enum easy, like you can create enum class variable double checker locking singleton method. Okay, private volatile double checker is a locking instance, and you can use the variable record checksum method to publish. Okay, check it and return time. Okay, next question is it better to make whole get instance method synchronized or just critical session is enough? Which one we will prefer? This is again related to double checker locking pattern. Well, synchronization is costly, and when you apply this on whole method, that call to get instance method will be synchronized and contented, since synchronization is only one needed during initialization or on singleton instance. To prevent creating another instance of singleton, it is better to only synchronize critical session and not a whole method. Singleton pattern is also closely related to the factory design pattern where get instance service as a static method. What is lazy and easily loading of singleton, and how will you implement it? As there are many ways to implement singleton, like using double checkered locking or singleton class with a static final instance initialized during class loading. Former is called lazy loading before singleton instance is created only when client calls instance method. Whole later is called earlier loading because singleton instance is created when class is loaded into memory. Another question is, give me some example of singleton pattern Java development kit, means JDK. Yeah, there are many classes in a development kit which is writing using by design pattern, singleton design pattern, where are few are like java.long.runtime with get returnable methods, java.awt.toolkit with get default toolkit method, java.awt.desktop with get desktop method. Another question is, what is double checked locking is singleton? Double check locking is a technique to prevent creating another instance of singleton when call to get method is made in multiple threading environment. In a double checked locking pattern as shown in below example, singleton instance is checked 2 times before initialization. See to learn more double checker about the locking in Java. Means you can create a program, but create a public static instance get method. If instance is equal to null, then synchronize singleton class, means double checker locking, because second checker of locking is with a lock. If singleton is null, then instance is equal to create the new object and then return the instance. Is a double checked locking should only be used when you have requirement for lazy initialization, otherwise use enum to implement singleton are simple static final variable. Another question is, how do you prevent for creating another instance of singleton using clone method? Preferred way is not a implementation clonable interface, as why should one want to create a clone of singleton if you want to just throw exception from clone method, as cannot create clone of singleton class, means you cannot create a clone method in a singleton. Okay. Another question is, how do you prevent for creating another instance of singleton using reflection? Since constructor of singleton class is supported to be private, it prevent creating instance of singleton from outside, but reflection can access private field and method which open a thread of another instance. This can be avoided by throwing exception from constructor as a singleton already initialized. How do you prevent for creating another instance of singleton during serialization? Means you have prevent this you can prevent this by using read resolve method, since during serialization read object method is used to create and it return new instance every time, but by using read resolve you can replace it with original singleton instance. I have shared code on how to do it my post enum as singleton in Java. This is also one of the reason I have said that use enum to create singleton, because serialization of enum is taken care by JVM, and it is provide guarantee of that. Why do you should avoid the singleton anti-pattern at all and replace with TI? Actually, singleton dependency injection. Every class that need access to the singleton get the object through its constructor or with a DI container, means dependency injection. In the singleton class, when we first time call getInstance method, it create an object of the class with name singleton instance and return it to have variable. Since single instance is static, it is changed from null to some object. Next time, if you try to call getInstance method, since getInstance is not a null, okay, it is a return to the available instance of initiating the singleton class again. This what is done to the condition. Okay. Another question is, how do you prevent for creating another instance of singleton using clone method? Preferred way is not implemented clonable interface. Why should one want to create clone of the singleton if you do just throw exception from the clone method cannot be created clone of the singleton class? How do we prevent creating another instance of singleton using reflections? Since construction of singleton is just supported to the private prevent creating instance method from outside, but reflection can access private scenes and method which open a thread of another instance. This can be avoided through the exception from construction as a singleton already initialized. How do you prevent for creating another instance of singleton during the serialization? You can prevent this by using read resolve method, since during serialization read object this is used to create instance and it is return new instance every time, but by using read resolve you can replace it with original singleton instance. I have shared code on how do you it is my first enum as singleton in Java. This can one of the reason I have said that enum to create singleton because of serialization of enum is taken care by JVM and is provide guarantee of that. There are one or two questions are repeat in this session, so don't be confused. You can learn it again and again. Another question is why singleton is anti-pattern with more classes calling get instance the code get more and more tightly coupled monolithics not testable and hard to change and hard to reuse because of not a configurable high hidden dependency. Also there should be no need for this clumsy double check locking if you call get instance less often either once. How to write thread safe singleton in Java? Thread safe singleton usually refer to write thread safe code which creates one and only one instance of singleton if called by multiple thread at the same time. There are many ways to achieve this, like by using double checked locking technique as so above and by using enum or singleton initialized by class loader. Another question is can you break singleton? It's a very most important question. Okay, can you? The answer is yes, you can. One can create multiple objects using serialization, deserialization if singleton class is marked as a serializable. So we should not mark singleton class as a serializable, and in case class is serializable, view the inheritance overriding read object method and throw non-serializable exception. Cloning if singleton class is marked as a clonable, so we should not mark singleton class as a clonable, and if class is clonable by parents class override clone method and through the clone not supported exception. Using reflection, and reflection can access private fields, so we can apply check in constructor and throw exception if instance is not created from constructor. Okay, another question is when to choose singleton over static class. One good reason for referring a singleton over a static class, assuming you have no better pattern at your disposal, is swapping out one singleton instance with another. For example, if you have logging class like this, lick means create a static class logger. Public static void log method in a string type is a public class client, and you can use this like a logger class. It works really well, but what if logger write thing to a database or write output to the console? If you have writing test, you probably don't want all those side effects, but since log method is static, you cannot be any exception. Another question is how we can create a class singleton. To make any class singleton, we need to consider or implement following, like private or protected constructor. We need to make a constructor of a class provide so that no one from outer world can call a new. Create a private static instance of the class. Create a public static method which will return the instance create. Another question is what is a good way to use singleton pattern in Java? using enum. Means just example, public enum is singleton instance. Okay, another approach is to clear the construction providing a get instance method to access the instance as a following. Means private static singleton class instance is equal to null, then private singleton class method. Construction code here means you can write construction code here. Okay, public static class get instance method. If instance is equal to null, the instance is equal to new class singleton method, return the instance. However, the second approach will have the issue is a multi-threaded environment and double checker locking need to be implemented. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your valuable response. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe this video and share your friend also.